we're fixing to review my new lighting system, and it's awesome. Stay tuned, watch the old part, watch the new part, and watch the difference it makes. It's Papa, it's Maddie. You're fixing to watch Papa Texas. Yeah. I bought a softbox, and it came in. It's right here, called a Neewer. We're gonna unbox it and show it to you. It's 2 softboxes, and I'm gonna set them up. I'm gonna come back and videotape a little bit more so you can see what it's like at nighttime. Hey, you know what? We'll set it up here, and I'll show you what it's like at the daytime because it'll enhance the picture. See the picture now? Notice the picture during the video of unboxing this. And then watch at the end to see, with the lights on being used, what you think. It's gonna make a difference. Papa's not gonna be yellow at nighttime anymore. Yeah. Be back in a minute, okay? While Maddie opens the box for us to do the unboxing video, let me tell you exactly what it is. I'm gonna leave this down in the description. It's called Neewer 700 watt professional photography 24 by 24 inches, 60 by 60 centimeters softbox with E27 socket light lighting kit. 69 bucks. And you see some yeller on me, don't you? That's just the outside light. These softboxes are going to take this view away, and at the end you're going to see what it's like, even though it's still daylight outside. You're going to see a difference. My camera's too low. You're going to see a difference in the light. They're going to be, I'll show it to you. Let's just get the unboxing done. Let me rearrange it. Let's see. Whee! It comes with the carrying case. Yeah. Alright, let me readjust the camera so it's on this while we pull it out, and I'll show it to you. Wait till you see the size of the bulb. Yeah. Hit that bell. Alright, had to flip it around, get the zipper over this side. Oh look, see, it's a carrying case. I told you that. Yeah. Alright, this is a nice, seems like a really nice one. Can we see it in the camera? Can you see it in the camera?
Yeah.
Alright. Nice little bag. I really think it's a heck of a deal for 69 bucks. Alright, these are the bulbs, I guarantee you. Do not. No, wrong side. You know what? Don't open that one. Let's just open this one up. Okay, y'all, check this out. Look at the size of that bulb.
It's as big as my head.
Here's my phone. You know what? Let me move you over here. There you go. There's more yellow light on you. All right, look. There's my cell phone. I'll put it together at the end, the bottom. Look how big that is. You know, in comparison, my soda pop. You see how short it is? It's the size of almost 2 soda pops. All right. All right, we're gonna take care of those. I think there's just a couple more pieces here. So this piece, and there's 2 identical ones, okay? So this piece right here is the tripod. You know what a tripod is and how it works. I'll show it to you after we build it. That's what that is. Okay, so here, this is the softbox part. I like how it all can travel. At this point, there you go. It's right there. Let me get it set up, and we'll come back and save you some time, and we'll show you. We'll show you. If you can see this, I'm going to show you a problem that people might have. Okay, it's how do you get it square, Papa? Okay, you take this middle piece. It ain't going to break. You push it back. Right there. Kind of top heavy. Let me finish this one and we'll get it turned on. I'll show it to you. Hang on. Okay, at this point, we got one soft box and the yellow lights are off, if that's what you want to call them. And that's what we're working with. When we get the second one up, we'll have 2 directions of light. And I'll tell you what, it's really cool. But I need to work with it a little bit to understand it. But so far, I think it's going to work. What do you think? When you walked outside, you were like, wow, man. You didn't see yeller anymore. Be back in a minute. So as I get the second one set up, okay, I've already opened up the legs on it. It does say Neewer right there. You can't see it. So you telescope it. And it's got another telescopic right here. And that sucker goes way up there. Okay? Let's bring it down. Let's put it there for simplicity. Alright, with this one light, I'm going to show you how to put together the top part. Okay? Oh, someone got shot. What I like to do is top heavy, okay? So here, I'll put the weight towards the outside of one of these legs. Alright, so it does swivel. Yeah, Papa, you picked the right time of day to be making this. She's digging holes. You can get chiggers over there. It feels like a lot of weight. Alright, at this point, you're going to open it up. Papa's in the light. You're going to open it up and you're going to go, but it don't stay up, Papa. What do I do? Alright, right here in this middle, this little middle part right here, it's going to help you out. You push it back. Hang on. Right there, and it sturdies out the rest of it, okay? Now we put our bulb in it. The cloth, the lines will come out of it eventually. But what you do, you stick it over the corner, and it velcros right there. Over the corner. The velcro's on the back, so you already did that one. There you go. Softbox. Alright, we're going to get both of them set up and we'll be right back. Okay, I've got to learn where to position them. And of course I got a table in the way. I got to figure all that stuff out, and I will. I truly will. But ain't this cool? Go look at the beginning, look at now, look at the middle, whatever. When I had one soft light going, I got 2 of them going now. Papa can film at night. Yeah. Hit my bell and you'll be notified when I make another video for your entertainment. That's right. Join the other 3,100 people. Just wish they came and watched our videos when I put a video out. I'm gonna cut that out. You trying to hit me in the head? Alright, so what we got is Papa. It's Papa, Texas. See ya. Oh! I'll leave a link down to it down below on Amazon. I'm an Amazon affiliate. It costs you nothing more. I just get a few cents off of you going through my link. I appreciate it. Anything else you buy through there, I get a little bit of that too. Costs you nothing more. It helps the Papa Texas channel out, right? Then we can eat and make another cooking video. We need to make a cooking video, but we need money. No, I'm kidding. We got some videos coming out. All right, up here we got some links. You're welcome to join us on our venture. This is awesome. I got to get it figured out and position them correctly, but so far I'm pretty impressed with this. No more yellow light. Yeah, I think they need to be a little closer. You know, is my nose dark? Am I positioned right? Yeah. See y'all.